Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys today on how you can create your first post on Instagram Threads. Now, it's actually very easy to do, so just make sure to watch this video all the way through so you guys don't miss any steps. Now, you can see here I'm currently on the Threads app. Now, it should look a little something just like this once you get signed in and signed up. Now, you can see at the bottom of the page here, we actually have a few options. There's a bunch of icons that we can select. Now, the middle icon is going to be the new post icon, and all we have to do is just go ahead and click on it. Now here, doing this, it's actually going to create a new thread for you. So basically, since this Instagram Threads, everything is going to be a thread. So basically, you can just go ahead and talk about, is watermelon really the best, right? And you can just pretty much ask somebody something. It's really up to you what you want to go ahead and create the thread about, but basically that's how you go ahead and do it. It's pretty simple and it's very easy. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys until next time.